For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Stop guessing in the kitchen. Cook perfect meals every time with this smart cooker. The 𝐕𝐢𝐬𝐭 Smart Pressure Cooker with Wi-Fi and built-in scale is designed for anyone who wants stress-free, precise cooking. This 10-in-1 multi-cooker handles pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice, steaming, sautéing, and more, all in a 6-quart family-size pot. I tried making a 1-pot chicken and rice dinner, and everything came out perfectly cooked, juicy, and flavorful without me hovering over the stove. Smart App Connectivity. Connect via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to the 𝐕𝐢𝐬𝐭 app and access hundreds of guided recipes and video tutorials. I love starting a recipe remotely on my phone while finishing prep elsewhere in the kitchen. The app sends exact cooking settings directly to the cooker, so you get perfect results even on complex dishes like risotto or hearty stews. Built-in scale for precision. The built-in scale measures ingredients by weight, removing the need for separate measuring cups. I tested it with a pasta dish, and the cooker calculated the exact water needed, no overcooked noodles. This makes prep cleaner and ensures consistently great results. Safer pressure cooking. Safety is simple with auto pressure release, offering quick, pulse, or natural release depending on your recipe. I tried the quick release for a stew recently, and it felt so much safer and easier compared to traditional pressure cookers. Guided cooking made easy. Step-by-step video instructions guide you through recipes. Following a steamed vegetable recipe was effortless. I didn't need to guess timing or temperatures. Even beginners can cook confidently with these guided recipes. Always improving. The cooker receives wireless updates via the app, adding new features and improving cooking algorithms over time. Your appliance stays up to date and performs better with every update. Accessories and extras. Includes a steamer rack and basket. I use the rack for whole chicken or fish and the basket for chopped vegetables or dumplings, making it easy to cook multiple items at once without extra dishes. Conclusion. The 𝐕𝐢𝐬𝐭 Smart Pressure Cooker isn't just a pressure cooker, it's a smart kitchen companion. With guided recipes, weight-based precision, and remote control via the app, it takes the guesswork out of cooking. From my experience, it makes meals faster, safer, and more consistent, perfect for busy families or food lovers who want reliable results every time.